So as you can tell, see the camera trying to focus. Come on there. We end up getting the frame under. Did some work as well. You know, as you can see, we got the frame all set up for the airbags right there. We have the front suspension in. We have everything modified, and we also was able to get it powder coated and sprayed as well. Got our upper lower control arms in place, so we can get things tied in, dialed in with that when we go ahead and put our bags on. So yes, what else we got going here? Okay, again, I'm doing all this from home. I'm a one-man garage and I'm working, so you know, bear with me. But last time I think we had everything all torn out. Over there on the driver's side, we got the panels put in. We got the floorboard put in on the driver's side. As you can see, I still got to go in and grind all of that down. If you guys can see well over there, we're gonna go over there and grind all of that down. But the main thing is, we're starting to work on our frame as far as modifying it. My goal is to still keep the back seat, because you know, I have a son and I want to be able to, you know, have it so he can ride. I saw a guy that has a back seat modified, so to speak, in the K5. So I know it can be done. It's gonna just take a little time probably to get it right, but hey, we'll get through it. So that's the goal. Last time we spoke, I told you we already got our tires, because we're gonna run the 24x15s on here. So we got the tires kind of a I guess I could say mock-up, if you will, of what I'm aiming to do. Let's get this straight here. But one-man garage, so I should name this channel. But as you can see, we got it linked in the back. Also got it set up for the bags as well. 373 gears. Gotten the axle, not axle, but the rear end shortened to about 40 inches. And yeah, as you can see, we still got some more cutting to do, so it can obviously go up. Today I just made cuts here, and took out the rear well, and got a guy gonna help me get some tubs right. Back here to the modification point back here, as you can see, where it's gonna mount, I was about 6 inches short. So obviously the plan is we're gonna cut pretty much the rest of this out across and get a bed hump modified made, so we can place the seat in it as well. So we'll continue the movement straight across with the cutting, and we'll be good. Can't wait to get this thing on the way, man. I know it's Acura. I think Acura came back into the business of selling air rides, so that's where we want to go. Great tool right over there. That's a great tool to cut metal straight across. Gets it nice and even and smooth. Reminds me of like a skill saw. Reminds me exactly like a skill saw. Awesome tool. Awesome tool to use. So it's just a mini metal saw by Eastwood. I think I paid like 19 bucks for it. Definitely was worth the money. Tubs, man, if any of you guys ever took the tub out of here, boom, feel free to write me a comment. It was a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be, actually getting the tubs out these things. Now that I've done this side, I can tell you what I'm gonna do more on this side the next time. That'll make it a lot easier for myself. So obviously you want to go in and take all those screws out. Okay, I took all the screws out of it, which was good, but this sealant, man, it's sealing in here, and it's no joke, guys. So you got this sealant right here, where it seal all the way across. This on a little bit left right here. The sealant right here is something serious, so it doesn't get any leaks and things like that into it. what you're gonna run into when you go in there to get that out is it doesn't want to let go. So what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to go in and start. You take a screwdriver or something like that and kind of pry it loose in between. If you see it right there, me kind of get in close, you'll notice what I'm talking about. That right there, go ahead, focus in, get them in, focus in, focus in, there it is. That sealant right there is very difficult to get it to break free from the metal. Trust me, it does the job after being on there since, my goodness, 1980. It definitely does the job. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this wheel in just to give you guys a look on how, what I kind of want to go for here with the wheels in the tub once you get in. All right, so first thing first, what we're gonna do, let me get a sweep on it, cause it is a mess. That's what I need. Something out of the way. Kids around here. Get cut like that. There we go. Boom. Alright. Get about 15 in here. Pop it up. There. So that big 24 by 15 should be sitting sometime right in there. That's what we're gonna be going for. Absolutely. Once we get there, guys, that's what we're gonna be going with. Curious to what you guys think, but yeah, that's what we're gonna go for. 24 by 15 in the back. My 5. We still got work to do over here. We'll work to get it right. So we're at with the K5 on the gas pedal TV. A little bit at a time.